Here I have GoPro Hero 5 Black, and let me show you how to switch on the auto low light feature on the following device. So how to boost your low light on your camera. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding the mode key. In order to switch on the GoPro, keep holding mode and wait until your camera will be ready to use. Then you have to swipe down your screen to the left, so let me do it. Let's do it a couple of times. And the third option is auto low light. So when you need automatically boost your low light, you can do it by using that feature. So let me do it by enable this option by using the following button. And now the low light is switched on, so you can shoot your video with this feature. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.